Today we are going to start that new topic measurement. Fine. So in measurement, so important topic. So in any questions like wherever dimension is there, so they can put that conversion. So if you don't know how to convert, so it's a very difficult to solve those problems. So that's why you has to understand that concept of measurement. Okay. So today, what are the things we are going to discuss? First one, what is the measurements? Then length and its unit of measuring. So what is length? What are the units of measuring that length? Okay. Then we will learn that unit conversion, that table. So how to convert that length into one unit to another unit. Okay. Then we will learn this weight and its unit measuring and then conversion of that. So these are the things we are going to learn in today's class. So first one is your measurement. So what is measurement? So we already know this. So different units of measurement. Okay. So like you go to buy something. So we say that, okay, give 1 kg of rice. So that what is that kg? Kg is unit of measurement. What is that? Is mass. Okay. Or when you go to buy some cloths, fine. So you say that give 1 meter white cloth. Fine. So that meter is unit of length. Okay. So you ask your friend to wait for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I will come to your home. Okay. So this hour is unit of time. Okay. So we are on daily basis. We are dealing with the several units. Okay. So this basic one is that length. Okay. So like this matchstick, that is a small matchstick. So if small length is there, we measure it into centimeter. If little bigger length is there, like trees, that height will be measured in meters. Distance between two cities, okay, city A to city B, that will be measured in kilometers. Okay, larger distance, kilometers. Even more larger distance are there, which can be measured with the different units. Okay, so next one is your weight. Okay, so weight, you will go actually in the terms of physics, your weight and mass is different. Okay. So here in mathematics, I think we should not differentiate, but for your knowledge, just I'm giving this information. Weight and mass is difference. So whatever we are weighing, no, in the shop, like 5 kg, 2 kg, that kg is mass. Okay, it is not weight. Fine. In physics language, but normal in normal days, we are just interchanging both things. Weight and mass, we are interchanging. In place of mass, we are always used to tell weight. Okay. Weight, what is your weight? Okay. So you say that, okay, 30 kg, 40 kg, whatever it is. So this kg is mass, it is not weight in terms of physics. Okay. But in mathematics, don't confuse, both are. So we are using this for same thing. So like for weight, like here grapes, this is a smaller quantity. So measure in the grams, okay, 200 grams, 500 grams. Sugar sack, that is the bag of sugar. Okay, so we measure into kg, like 25 kg or 50 kg or 100 kg, something like that. So this is your weight. Next thing is your capacity. Capacity means volume, right? So like in glass, this is in ml. Normally glass has 250 ml. Fine. Or some bigger glass will have 500 ml. Approximate. Okay. So this is a smaller quantity. It is measured in ml, milliliter. Ml is your milliliter. And bigger quantity like our water tank. Okay. This is measured into liters. Like 1,000 liters tank, water tank. Fine. Normally water tank having this volume is or capacity is 1,000 liters. So if bigger quantity is there, bigger capacity is there, it is measured into liters. So these are the different units. Centimeter and meter is the unit of length. Gram and kilograms is the unit of weight. And milliliters and liter is the unit of capacity. Fine. So anyone has any doubt in this basic units?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we will learn about the length. Okay. So length is the measurement of
No,
an
sir.
object one into other end. Fine. So length like this pen. Fine. So we want to measure the length. How we measure? we start measuring from one end till another end. So that is called its length. Fine. So length will be what? It is a measurement of an object from one end to other end. So that will be the total length. Fine. So here's the example, the distance between your home and school. That is the length. Okay. So device used to measure the length. What are the different device we are using? So first one is your scale. What is there in your instrument box? We measure the length of line. Like we say, if you draw a line segment having 5 centimeter length. Okay, so how we measure? With the help of a scale or ruler. Right? If little larger length like cloths, that we measure with the help of measuring tapes, or land even we measure with the help of measuring tapes. Fine. So this is the two devices normally we use to measure the length. To scale and that measuring tape. So now standard unit of length. Okay, so the measuring unit of length are in centimeter, meter, kilometers. So just now we have discussed matchbox, small is centimeter, tree like little bigger thing is in meter, larger distance like distance between two cities, it is measured in kilometers. So these are the units. A part of this centimeter, meter, kilometer, different units are there that also we will learn. So some more units, fine. So that is inch. Fine. So in scale, so just now we have seen that scale, no? Okay. Here it is a only one side. Fine. So normal scale you will see in other side also. So like here they will put one line. Fine. Another line will be let here. Something like that. So this is inch. Here you will see it is written mm or sometimes centimeter. And here it will be written as inch. Fine. So this scale is downside scale is okay. So it will be divided into 12 parts. So that will be your inch. So 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. Fine. So little more than 2.5, 2.5. It is little more than 2.5. So that is 2.54 centimeter, 1 inch. Next is your feet. Okay. So 1 feet is equal to 12 inch. Okay. So in normal scale, whatever we are using, there will be approximate 5 inch. 5 inch. Okay. So when you will take 12 inch, so this 12 inch will be equal to 1 feet. Okay. So you might have bought the wire, electric wire. Electric wire, either they will give you in meter or they will give you in feet, or land. Land, it will be measured in feet. Okay. So 1600 square feet. So like that. So land will be normally measured in feet. Okay. So these are the units to measure the length. Next is your yard. Yard is another unit. So 1 yard is equal to 36 inch. 36 inch means it is equal to 3 feet, because 1 feet will have 12 inches. So 36 inches will be equal to 3 feet. Means 1 yard is equal to 36 inch or it is equal to 3 feet. So clear? Anyone has any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir. No,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, fine. So now this is unit conversion table. So how to convert that unit? Fine. So in unit conversion table, lowest side it will be milli, then centi. You has to remember this milli, centi, then deci. Then here it is a base unit, then deca, hecto, kilo. Milli, centi, deci, deca, hecto, kilo. In between there's a base unit. I will tell you what is the base unit. Okay. So you can remember this like King Henry died, mother did cry much. Okay. By using this or 10, 20 times, if you repeat this one, it will be, you will remember it. Millicentideci, decahectokilo. Millicentideci, decahectokilo. If you 10, 20 times, if you speak this one louder, so you will remember this one. That's not a problem. So now here, this each step, the difference is 10. 10, 10. Each step difference is 10. Milli to centi 10, centi to deci 10, deci to this base unit 10, base unit to deca is 10, deca to hecto is 10, and hecto to kilo is 10. Fine. Kilo is a bigger unit, milli is a smaller unit. If we'll go this side, value is increasing. Okay, it is increasing. If we'll go this side, value is decreasing. So milli is smaller unit, kilo is a bigger unit. Fine. So if we'll convert bigger to smaller, you has to multiply. Bigger to smaller, you has to multiply. Means from larger to smaller, multiply. If we'll go from smaller to larger, it will be divide. He has to divide. The first thing is he has to understand where he has to multiply, where he has to divide. When you convert larger unit into smaller unit, he has to multiply. When he has to convert smaller unit into larger unit, he has to divide. First thing is multiply or divide. Second thing is by what number he has to multiply. Fine. Yes, Aryan, any doubt you have?
Yes, sir. If we multiply kilometer into hectometer, won't hectometer become bigger than kilometer, sir?
Kilometer is bigger or hectometer is bigger?
Kilometer, sir.
That only I'm trying to say. Fine. So bigger one, if you convert into smaller one, he has to multiply. Smaller one, he has to convert into bigger one, he has to divide. Okay, that is the first rule. Second rule is with what number he has to multiply or divide. So he has to count the positions. Suppose he has to convert kilo into deca. Kilo into deca. How many position? 1, 2, 3. 3 positions are there, kilo to deca. Fine. So we are converting bigger to smaller. We has to multiply. Now question is 1 kilo meter is equal to dash decameter. So we are converting kilo into deca, bigger to smaller, it will be multiply. Now we have to find out with what we has to multiply. This 1 kilometer will be multiply with what? So position we have to check kilo 1, hecto 2 and deca. It is a 3 value. So when it is a 3, so one value will go for 1, another 2 will be 0. So it is total 3 digit. So you have to multiply with 100. Means 1 kilometer is equal to 100 decameter. Very simple. Now suppose I has to convert kilo into deci. Kilo into deci. Bigger to smaller, he has to multiply. How many position? Kilo, hecto, deca 3, base is 4, deci is 5. Understood? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This also he has to count. Base also he has to count. This is a 5. I will tell you what is the base. Base I has not explained. That I will tell you. This is 5. So it will be 1 and 4, 0. If 1 kilometer is converted into decimeter, it will be 10,000 decimeter. Clear? Anyone has any doubt? If anyone has any doubt, so please raise
No,
your hand.
sir. No, sir.
Okay, good.
Sir, can you explain this again?
Yeah.
This.
More example we will take. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Let me delete this so clearly I can write. So, Avni, yeah, what is your doubt, beta?
Sir, why the differences of 10 only?
That like that only we have created. So multiple of 10.
10,
easier.
20, 30, 40.
No, 10, 20, 30. So then it's not much difference,
Yes.
Okay. And lot of units will be there. In that case, lot of units will there. How many units you will remember? So it is 10, 100,000 like that.
Sir, go to the washroom.
Avni, so done. Yes, Arsh.
Sir, like how do you convert all these units?
No, just now I explained. Have you seen?
Yeah, yes, sir, but I had a doubt.
No, what is your doubt? You tell me.
Like how do you convert kilo to deca and kilo to hecto?
It's not doubt. Means you have not understand anything. Whatever I explained, you have not listened. Correct? Two example I had given. If first example you have not listened that time, only you should ask. Then second example I have explained. You have not asked. So it's not good thing, beta, no? So you didn't understand immediately you ask. So because it will waste everyone's time. No, same thing I will repeat again and again. It will waste everyone's time. I will explain once again, but please concentrate. So like here
Okay,
you
sir.
see kilo to deca is a bigger to smaller. So first thing is we has to multiply. That thing is clear, Ash?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now with what we has to multiply? So he has to count the position kilo to deca. 1, 2, 3. 3 position is there. So it will multiply with 1 and 2, 0. This is 3. 1, 2, 3. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Understood.
Now kilo to deshi. Again bigger to smaller. It will multiply. With what we have to
Okay, sir.
multiply? Count the position 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Agreed? 5?
Fine.
So
Yes.
5 means 1 and 4, 0. Means it will
4
multiply with 10,000. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So one that smaller to bigger I will take. Okay, but before that, let me tell you this base unit. In base unit, either you can take as a meter, or you can take as a gram, or you can take as a liter. Here it is a written, or you can take as a liter. If we'll take meter, so it will be kilometer, hectometer, decameter. If you'll take gram, it will be kilogram, hectogram, decagram. If it is a liter, if we'll take, it will be kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter. But conversion is same. It's not going to change. It's depend what
Okay,
you are measuring. If it's a weight you are measuring, it will be kilogram. If length you are measuring, it is a kilometer. If your this volume you are measuring, capacity you are measuring, so that will be kiloliter. But conversion will be same. Clear?
Okay, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So
Understood.
now from smaller to bigger also we will change. Now we have to convert, suppose centi to deca. Now from smaller to bigger we are going, so we have to divide. First thing, now divide with what? So position you count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 position is there? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it will divide with like 1 centimeter has to be converted into deca. So 1 will be divided into 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 positions. So 1 and 3, 0 means 1 by 1000. So 1
Okay, sir.
centimeter is equal to 1 by 1000 decameter. Clear, Arsh?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay, good. Naisha,
Thank you,
tell
sir.
me. Welcome, beta.
Can I go to the washroom?
Yeah, definitely. Sorry. So keep you waiting for this much long. Anyone else has any other doubt? Okay, this is the conversion. So this thing, it is means like it should be completely feeded in your mind. So because question they will ask immediately. So one dimension they will say, okay, so some questions related to your area of room. Length they will say that it is a 5 meter, and width they will say that 250 centimeters, something like. So if you don't know the conversion, again it will be a problem. So you should know this conversion. You have to be very thorough with this conversion, especially in physics. So, okay, in physics, so once you will go in higher classes, no, numericals, they will give you numericals, two different things, two values they have, they will give you in different units. You should know that conversion. So understand this thing. So everywhere it is useful. So hope everybody understood this. Still anyone has any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so now this question, solve this question and give answer in chat box.
Sir,
Small dm
decimeter
is
or
small
decameter,
dm.
sir?
Yes, that I'm telling you. That only I was explaining. Small dm is your decimeter. If it is a capital D, that is a decameter. Or sometimes they will clearly write deca or they will write capital D. That will be deca. Small d is deci. Okay, so two answer came. Manvik says C, Dhruv is C. Adrija is C. Avani is C. Okay, Ayan, Gravit, Dhruvi, Kevin, Arush, Harini. Okay, fine. So now everyone is answering. So C. So that is, I think that is correct. Because 29 decimeter. So milli centi deci, three position means 100. Okay, and deci to millimeter, bigger to smaller, so it will be multiplied. So it become 29 means 2900, that is 29 decimeter, and 4 centimeter millicenti, two position, so 4 will be multiplied with 10 only, so that is 40. So it is 2940. Fine, so option C is correct. Clear? Anyone has any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, beta. So next, measuring in decimals. So to measure length in decimals, first convert all units into larger units and then proceed. Like 5 kilometers and 814 meters. So everything we have to convert into kilometers. Fine. So this 5 kilometers plus this meter if you want to convert into kilometers. So decimeter, deca, meter, deca, hecto, kilo. There's a 4 means 1 and 3 0 means it will be divided with 3. Okay. So when this meter is converted into kilometers divided with 1000. So this 14 divided by 1000, here 30 is there. So decimal will come 3 digit before here. So answer will be 5.814. So clear how to convert into decimal? Do anyone has any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, beta. So now solve this one. Convert 85 meter and 15 centimeter into meter. Manvik says it's a B. Okay, Aryan is B. Ayan is B. Virat, Dhruv, Devina, Gravit, Harsh, Adrija, Naisha, Avni. Okay, so everyone is answering B. Fine. So 85 meter and 15 centimeter, 15 will be divided with 100. So it become 0.15 and 85 is there. So 85.15. Okay, that is option B. So everyone is correct. So B is the right answer. Yes, Manashvi.
Sir, I had a bit network connection. I didn't understand decimals.
What you didn't understand better?
That how did you converted that centimeter and meter into decimals?
So centimeter, so you can convert into meter, no? So it will be divided with 100.
Yes.
That you understood, no, Manasvi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And when it is divided with 100, so decimal, you know how to convert. 2 zeros, so decimal will go 2 digit before. Correct? So then that is completely different chapter, beta. So decimal conversion, you have learned that decimal. You have studied decimal before.
Yes, but not conversion.
Not conversion. So this is, so numbers we have to convert into decimal. So you should know. Like 20 is there. So just small means like I can give you that hint. But that he has to go through that bit. Otherwise, so there will be a problem. Like here 20 is there. So decimal will be 2 digit before. Like this is 1 and this is 2. The decimal will come here. If it is 15 divided by 1000, 30 is there. So decimal will be 3 digit before. But here only we have 2 digit. So he has to put 10 and then put the decimal. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
these things he has to learn. So it become 0.15 and 85 is already there, 85 meters. So it is 85 plus 0.15. So it will be 85.15. So answer B is correct. Next is your weight. Fine. So weight means the find how heavy something is. So device used for weight is that weighing scale. Fine. So electronic weighing scale. So like units, standard unit of weight is gram and kilogram. Gram is small one, kilogram is larger one. Fine. Lighter weight is measured in gram. Okay, heavier weight is measured in kilogram. So some other units are ounce. Okay. So 1 ounce is 28 gram approximate. In laboratory, like chemicals, we measure in ounce because it's a smaller unit. Like 28 grams. That will be 1 ounce. Pound. Cake, it is available in pound. Okay. So 1 pound is less than 500 grams. So it is like 452 something like. Fine. So 1 pound will be less than half kg or 500 gram. Next, it is a ton. 1 ton is equal to 907 kg approx. Clear? So anyone has any doubt?
No.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So once again, here's a unit conversion table. Okay, table they had given. Fine. So now here example is
Sir,
more
you didn't
example.
tell what is base unit, sir.
Base I told you, no. So meter, gram, and liter. You have not listened properly. Concentrate. I told you when length is there, so it will be kilometer, hectometer, decameter. Same thing I told. When it is a weight, like it will be kilogram, hectogram, decagram. Did I explain that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You should,
Yes, sir.
you should concentrate, huh? While, so just it's a 1 hour class. So 1 hour you has to be very much attentive. Otherwise, the important thing you will miss.
Yes.
Okay. So that's why I said base, if you put meter, so that will be everything will be meter, kilometer, centimeter, millimeter, decimeter. If you write gram, everything will be gram, decigram, centigram, milligram, decagram, hectogram, kilogram. If you write liter, so it will be deciliter, centiliter, milliliter, kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter. So that's why nothing is written here. So these things, any of these three you can write in base units. Convert 9 kg 72 gram into gram. So everything in gram. 9 kg equal to 9,000 gram. Okay. Plus 72. So that will be 9,072 gram. Yes, Divina.
Sir, can I go to the washroom?
Yeah, definitely. Convert 9 hectogram 105 milligram into milligram. So 9 hectogram. Okay. So here position you check milligram and hectogram. What is the difference? You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 places there. So 1 and 5, 0. Okay. So this hectogram you convert into milligram. So big to small, it will multiply. So multiply with 1 and 5, 0. Okay. So that become your 9 lakhs milligram. Fine. And 105 milligram is there, that will be added. So it become 9 lakhs 105 milligram. Clear? Yes, Manashwi.
Sir, how do we understand that it is a decagram or decigram?
So I told you that also I explained. You have not listened properly. If D is a capital, that was decagram. If D is small, it is a decigram. Yes, Kravit.
Sir, when I was giving my previous Olympiad test, so I noticed that it was DA for deca. So is it also?
Yeah. Yeah, that also can be used. Okay. So now this is the question. Solve the question and give answer. Okay, many people have already answered A. Fine. So everyone has answered A. So convert 18 kg into grams. So kg into grams, so 1000. So it become 18,000 plus 912. So that become 18,912. Okay. So that is option A. Clear? So everyone has given right answer. Next, measuring in decimals. Again, that kg. Fine. So length we have learned. So here everything is gram, but it is conversion is same. Nothing is different. So in decimal gram, it will be divided into 1000 if you want to convert into kg. Okay. So this is 72 kg and this is 196 by 1000. So that will be 72 plus 0.196. So it will be 72.196 kg. Okay. So that is the conversion in decimal that already we have learned. So anyone has any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay. So now
No, sir.
addition and subtraction. So we can add subtract this measurement. Fine. So like here 15 meter 70 centimeter and 19 meter 21 centimeter. Okay. So what he has to do, he has to convert everything into meter or centimeter. Both way we can do. So like here we have convert everything into meter, like 15 meter 70 centimeters. So that will be 15.7. So that we have learned already. Okay. So next we has to add 19 meter 21 centimeters. So that will be 19.21. So anyone has any doubt in this conversion that already we have learned?
No,
Okay.
sir.
So next we has to do that addition 15.70 decimal addition. We know 15.70 and 19.21. Okay. So it is added 0.91 and here it is a 34. So total value is 34.9. Clear? Yes, Avni.
Sir, if the point is not equal, so what we have to do?
So decimals addition, you know, no better 2.5 and if you'll have 3.48. So no problem. Decimal should be in this one column. It will be written like this, or you can put 50 and then add. So first he has to
Okay.
convert into like decimal and then add.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Okay, well. So now here more examples we have 15 kg 714 minus 9 kg 212 gram. So we'll convert 15 point, it will be 15.714. Okay. And another will be 9.212, 9.212. And now you can subtract it. Okay, here it was one day. So let me delete what I have written. Okay. So your answer is 6.502. Like here, simple addition and subtraction of decimals. So nothing great in that. So few things always you should keep in your mind, like while adding or subtracting metric measures, we can convert them into smaller units and then add or subtract. That also I told you. Either this kg and gram has to be converted into gram, or this gram has to convert it into kg. Both way we can do. Bigger convert into smaller, or smaller convert into bigger. So you will get the same value. Clear? Anyone has any doubt? Yes, Divina.
No, sir.
Sir, instead of first converting them, can we do like this that we can just add the kg first, then add the gram
Yes.
and then get the answer?
No. First add the gram and then add the kg. That we can do.
Okay, sir.
So when gram is more than 1,000, like when you have added, and here it came 1 gram here and kg you have written here. Gram you have added and you got 1,526. So you write 526 and this 1,000 it will be carry forwarded into kg.
Yes, sir.
So that you
Thank
can
you,
do.
sir.
Okay, welcome. Like you are doing no addition of hour and minute and seconds. So same thing. There 60 minutes or means like 60 seconds will be converted into 1 minute and 60 minute will be converted into 1 hour. Here it is the same thing. If it is a gram and kg, 1,000 gram will be converted into 1 kg. That will be carried forward. That's it. Okay. So anyone has any doubt in this? Okay, so now multiplication and division. We can multiply or divide length and weight just like numbers. Like here you see, if a child runs 7 kilometers to 15 meters in a day, then how much distance he cover in 9 days? So he has to multiply 9 with this distance. Okay. So first we has to convert. Here what we have done, kilometers we has converted into meters. So 7 kilometers is 7,000 meter plus 215. Total is a 7,215 meter in 1 day. So for 9 day, it will be multiply with 9. So it is 64,935. Now it is converting back. So 64,000. So 64 kilometers. 1,000 meter is 1 kilometer. So 64,000 meter is 64 kilometers. Balance is 935. So it is 935 meter. Yes, Kevin. Any doubt you have, Kevin?
Sir, I cannot.
Kevin?
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
instead of making the 2 kilometer into meter and adding it, we can multiply it with 7 into 9, no, sir.
You can do that direct multiplication, but again, I told you, when meters value it is more than 1,000, it has to carry forward. That's it. You can do that multiplication.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, Butta, welcome. So, but this will be easier. So no confusion. If you are means like comfortable with that method, only then you go for that. Otherwise, please follow this only. Yes, Shavni.
Sir, can you give one more example?
Yeah, so 2 kilometers, 500 meters. So that will be 2,500. Okay.
Yes.
So 1 day running, or that is the length of, that is the distance of one city to another city. So if a person, it has gone 5 times up and down. So what is the total distance? Multiply with 5.
Multiply.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
that will be, so 12,500. So 12,500 meters. So 12,000 meter will be 12 kilometers. Okay. And 500 meter will be as it is. Understood, Avni?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Welcome. So next question, solve this one and give answer in chat box. A carton of fruits contain this much kg of apple, this much gram. If 500 grams apple were packed in one small box, then how many such boxes will be packed? Ayan says B, Dhruv is B. Okay, many people, Adriza, Avni, Dhruvi, Kevin. Okay, many people have answered B. So it says that in small box, 500-gram apples we can put, and there's a large carton. Okay, in that we put this small box. So how many large carton? Total 9.5 kg of apple. So total how many box would be there? So what we have to do? 9.5 kg. It will be divided by 500 gram. But this division we cannot do because unit is different. So it will be converted into gram. So it will be multiply with 1,000 when kg is converted into gram. So it is multiply with 1,000, and 9.5 when multiply with 1,000, it will be 9,500 divided by 500. 0 and 0 is cancelled. So that is 19. So total 19 small boxes can come inside that, this big carton. Yes, this.
Can I go to the washroom, sir?
Yeah, definitely. So understood? Anyone has any doubt in this question? Okay. So now we'll go for this workbook question. Solve this one and give answer in chat box. Many people have answered A. Everyone has answered A. Harini is A. Adriza is A. Dhruv is A. Manvik is A. Ayan is A. Shita is A. Aryan A. Dhruv is, Gravit is D. Okay, let's see. Here thing is, we have to put these linings properly, otherwise there will be problem. So, okay. So length of this bigger marker. So it is 6.8. Finish at 6.8. Started at 0.8. So subtract this one. So length, this is 6 centimeter. Oh, sorry, this is in meter, no? Okay, so whatever unit is there, I have to write that one. 6 meter. The marker length is 6 meter. Okay. So small marker, final value that is 5.8. Initial value is 1.2. So that is 4.6 meter. Okay. So total length will be 6 plus 4.6. That is 10.6 meter. So that is 10.6. Option B is correct. So those who has given answer as B, that is the right one. Clear? Anyone has any doubt in this? Okay, so now we'll go for next question. Solve this one and give answer in chat box. Ravit says B. I don't know for this or last one.
Sir, this one.
Dhruv is okay. Dhruv is B. Divina is B. Adriza is B. Kanishk, Avni, Arsh, Harshita, Naisha, Aryan. So B. Fine. So everyone is answering B. Here you see X and X, both is X. Okay. So that is 16 kg. So X will be 16 by 2. So that is 8. 2x is 16. So 1x will be 8 kg. So 1 here X is 8 kg. And total weight is 18. So definitely Y will be 10 kg. Okay. So option B is correct. So everyone has given option B. That is the right answer. So anyone has any doubt in this question? Ritesh,
No, sir.
so you raised hand. So any problem you have, beta? Okay. So now we'll go for next question. Solve this one and give answer in chat box. Okay, first answer came. Earth says it's B. Adriza is B. Naisha is B. Ritesh B. Kirat is B. Avni is B. Manvik, Ayan B. Aryan is B. Harshita is B. Harini is B. Gravit, Dhruv, B. Okay. So everyone has answered B. So now question says Mrs. Sapna has 17.8 meter ribbon. That is the total length of ribbon. She cut 9 small pieces. Each length is 0.35 meter. Means one length of one piece is 0.35 meter. And like that, total 9 pieces is there. So what is the length of total 9 pieces? So we have to multiply with this.
Sir, 315.
So yes, that is 3.15. Okay. So that is 3.15 meter and total length is 17.85. So this much she has used. So what is the balance? 17.85 minus 3.15. Okay. So that is 14.70. So that is option B. You can write 14.70 or 14.7. So same thing. Okay. So that is option B. So everyone has given option B. That is the correct one. So clear? Anyone has any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay. So with this, we have completed today's PPT. If you have any other doubts, so you can ask.
So we can leave.
So still 3 minutes are there. So in between, you can ask. Okay, so if you don't have, just I will remind, so whatever we have learned today, that is length is the measurement of the object. We have learned about the length. So what is length? It is a measurement of the object from one end to other end. So we have seen that example of here marker. So how we have calculated the length? We have taken one end, we have taken another end, and the distance between them was the length. Okay, that is the way how we are measuring the length. Next, base unit of length, that is a meter. Fine. Other units, whatever we have learned, so that was kilometers. In between, there's a centi, milli, deci, deca, hecto, kilo. So all those things are there. A part of that one we have learned inch, we have learned feet, we have learned yard. Fine. So to weight, so it is like how heavy something or some object is. That is the weight. Base unit was a gram. Okay. So another unit, what we have learned, that was ton, kilogram, all those things was there. Okay. Pound we have learned, ounce we have learned. Fine. So that are the other units of weight. So operation of length and weight can be done the same way as the numbers. How number we are adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. The same way we have seen everything we have done, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So like that number, how we are doing, the same thing we are doing with this operations also. Fine, for this conversion. So these things we have learned today. So we will continue. So this topic in the next class. So if anything else you have, so you can ask. Otherwise, so you can leave. We will meet in the next class.
Bye, sir.
Anyone, any doubt?
Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
Okay,
sir.
bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, bye. Bye, 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 bye.
you.